Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about the languages. From the first video I am going to start. In these videos I am going to explain the languages which I am going to learn this year. The language I know was my native language Telugu, and the language I learned from the previous years were English. And right now in this year I am going to learn the languages, the remaining three South Indian languages and the Hindi. The four of those languages were Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam and Tamil. In this year I am going to master them. Before getting mastered, first thing, whatever field it may be, whether it may be languages or sport or science or engineering, whatever field it may be, first thing you have to do is you have to learn the basics. You have to master the basics to become the successful in that field. So in this language, first thing, the basics were learning the reading and writing. After that it will become easier for you to read and write, and then slowly you may start speaking and communicating with people. First thing, the basics is reading and writing. For reading and writing, first thing you have to learn is word formation. For the word formation you need alphabets, grammar, the basic grammar. First thing you need alphabets, and then you have to learn with the grammar how to form words, how to read and write the words. That is the first basic step. And then you have to practice them for some time, for some period of time, to get them. And then reading and writing will help to remember them, and it will able to make it memorize, having like doing the work, exercising, like writing sometimes the grammar will allow you to memorize. And then you have to begin with the words, like taking the language you know, words in the language you know, and with the help of Google Translate or with the help of dictionary, translating them will enable you to get those words in the other language. After learning word formation and word formation, and then in the beginning the exercise was like writing 100 words and writing the meanings in the language you are going to learn, and then doing like writing 5 to 10 times that 100 words and repeating them with new words, new 100, next 100, until it will become easier for you, like 1 month or 2 months writing them. And after that, sentence formation. For sentence formation you need grammar like tenses. For that you have to the same exercise you have to do after learning tenses. You have to past, present and future tense. You have to just repeat, give it a time to write and read, and then you will get master in that language. It will take, in my opinion, 1 year to learn the language, and like 3 to 5 years to master that language. The more time you engage in that language, the more and more polished it will be. So there is no certain time for the completely learning of language. Until you die, if you learn and learn, if you engage in that language, you will learn and learn until it goes on. The more you learn, the more efficiently you will talk. Sometimes you can able to talk more than the native speaker. So I know 2 languages. I know I can read, write and write 6 languages. Now in this year I am going to able to speak the rest of the 4 languages what I can read and write to. So in this video, in the next video, I am going to cut this video as a part 1. In the next video I am going to explain the rest of the 4 languages. I think you know English. I will explain first step, the word formation. For word formation I will explain the grammar. Next video I am going to explain the basic grammar for word formation to Hindi, to Telugu and to Kannada and to Malayalam and to Tamil. Okay guys, I hope you understand. See you guys, meet you in the next video.